Too slow. Alfa Romeo nothing. Alfa Romeo slow, boy. A Gila my ass. Ain't no damn Gila. Hey, they reckless with it too, boy. I mean, that Gila's beat the hell up in the front, bro. Hey man, ain't nothing like some morning fun, bro. It's 8:41 a.m. Oh shit. Hey, we getting down in this bit. Hey man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. You can't go on high rate of speeds on them corners, bro. You gotta be careful with those. But yeah, thought the Alfa Romeo been a lot faster, bro. It's alright though. But I can't say this though, bro. Whoever was driving that Alfa Romeo do not care about that car, man. When I turned the cameras on, you guys, I was already in front of the Alfa Romeo. But dude, the whole front end is tore up, man. I mean, she must have hit somebody, but the way she's driving, she does not care about that bug, bro. She does not care. That thing probably stolen, to be honest with you, bro, because she almost hit my car, bro. She almost hit mine just to get in front of me. She was about to hit my car just to get in front of me. Hey, bro, there's certain people you cannot cut up with because they have no care for your car or their car, bro. Hey, but man, hey, we gonna keep uploading these videos. We're gonna keep going crazy on the channel, bro. Hey, I'm getting the action, bro. I'm getting the action. You feel me? Probably before this video is uploaded, you guys are probably gonna be seeing the race between me and the 300S. It was a tuned 300S. Dude say he got a Diablo tune on there. He got a little cold air intake too. So yeah, he had a whole lot. Well, not a whole lot, but you know, a little something more than what I have on my car right now, because I don't have a cold air intake and or a tune yet. So yeah. But yep, now I gotta fill my tank back up. Actually, I didn't waste that much gas, to be honest with you. My MPG went down by tremendously, but you know, gas hand, you know, it didn't go down by that much. It's still pretty close to full, but you know, other than that, hey, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and if you're not new, do it anyway. I'm out.